tricky example given. Kc is equals to 4,5. SO3 is equals to 1,5 mole DM3. And then SO2 is equals to 0,5 mole DM3. And O2 is equals to denominator all over the numerator DM3. And solve for X. So I'm introducing my product, my two reactants, which is SO2 and O2. My product is SO3. So I'm going to write the equation of products and the reactants. So here are my reactants and here are my products. So I'm going to find K, the value of X, using this, but I have to make sure they are balanced. So I have one sulfur, I have one sulfur. I have 4 oxygen, I have 3 oxygen. So what if I put a 2 in the S, in the sulfur, and I put another 2 in sulfur? I'm going to get 2 sulfur and 2 sulfur, and I'm going to get 6 oxygen and 6 oxygen, which is 2 times 2 is equals to 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So I've decided to put a 2 to balance the equation. So I have balanced my equation. So I'm going to use the formula of Kc to calculate the value of X. Kc is equals to products all over the reactants. So Kc product is SO3 all over 2, and the reactants is SO2 all over 2 O2. Okay, I've done everything. So I'm substituting all my values, all my Kc values, all my equilibrium values. So my Kc was 4,5 and my product was 1,5 all squared, and then my SO2 was 0,5 squared, and then my O2 was X minus 48 and all over the 64, and then voila. After that, I am going to use my calculator to find all the squared values. 1,5 squared is equals to 2,25. So I'm going to say 4,5 is equals to 2,25, and then my 0,5 squared is equals to 1 over 4, and then my big square and small x minus 48 square root 64, all of that. I've done everything. After that, I'm going to multiply my 1 over 4 with the invisible one here. We have an invisible one here. So 1 over 4 multiplied by 1. I'm going to get, those brackets are going to be cancelled because I've multiplied it with an invisible one. So I was gonna say 4,5 is equals to 2,25 1 comma 4 x minus 48 bracket 64. After that, I'm going to multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. So 1 times x minus 48 is going to be x minus 48. And then what about 4 times 64? My answer will be 256. 256. 4 comma 5. After that, I'm going to swap numerator and denominator and multiplied it by the boss, which is upstairs. This is the boss. The boss. Okay, I'm doing everything. So my 4 comma 5 is equals to 2,25 times 256 all over x minus 46. Okay, after that I'm multiplying everything by the boss. Okay, 2,25 multiplied by 256, I'm getting 576. So I'm getting 576 all over brackets x minus 46, 4 comma 5. After that, I'm multiplying this and this. I'm doing cross multiplication, which will be 4 comma 5 multiplied by x minus 48. Minus 48. X minus 48 equals to 576. And I divide both sides by 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. And then I get 48 equals to 576 divided by 4 comma 5 is 128. X is equals to 128 plus 48. X is equals to 128 plus 48. The answer is 176. So I have found the value of x, which is 176.